So here's how to add chatbot to your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. After that, here you have to go to the design site option at the top right corner. Once you click on the design site option, now it will open the editor page of the Wix website. After that, here at this page you have to simply click on the add elements option, and once you click on it, now go to the contacts and forum. After that, at this page you will be able to view the option of the chats in the bottom. Once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From here you have to simply select your chat button type and drag and drop to your website page. Once you have selected this button, now here you have to adjust it to your site where you want to keep it. After that, from the app section, you also have to install the Wix chatbot. Once you have successfully installed this app, now here you go. So that's how to add chatbot to your Wix website.